Let's move over to Tamil Nadu, where there's a tussle that has broken out over liquor shops in Tamil Nadu. The Tamil Nadu liquor shop reopening case is now in the Supreme Court, but now the state opposition parties have come together to condemn the Edappadi Palaniswamy government for their move to sell liquor at all. They condemn the government because the state of Tamil Nadu is seeing a rise in cases, and considering the spike, liquor shops will only attract further crowding and will defeat the purpose of a lockdown. The Edappadi Palaniswamy government had yesterday moved the Supreme Court challenging an interim order by the Madras High Court to close liquor shops run by the state-run TASMAC. And there, Makkal Nidhi Mayam Chief Kamal Hassan has also moved a plea to the top court to make his M&M party to the case. Another superstar turned Neta, Rajnikant, also joined in the ranks with the opposition to slam the move to reopen these TASMAC shops in Tamil Nadu. Rajnikant says that Edappadi Palaniswamy will in fact lose elections, the coming elections, if at all he chooses to open alcohol shops. Multiple protests have also been witnessed across the state against the opening up of TASMAC. In fact, Kamal Hassan's Makkal Nidhi Mayam had filed a petition in the High Court seeking closure of these liquor shops. The Madras High Court order came after the Supreme Court on Friday refusing to pass an order to ban sale of liquor. The top court said that the state governments can decide on whether they want to sell liquor or not. It's not for the Supreme Court to step in. And here, the Supreme Court also had directed that online sale of liquor and home delivery could be considered. Let's quickly go over to Dr. Mahendran, the Vice President of the Makkal Nidhi Mayam, joining us for more on this. Dr. Mahendran, we understand that every state across of India currently, most of all of the states across of India have been selling liquor to cash in on the liquor tax, the liquor revenue. At a time like this, when governments are cash-strapped, the opposition party mounting pressure, don't you think they've got to think about the economy at the same time? Of course, human life is priority, but the economy is also something that the government has to look at. And this is the best way they can cash in on revenue through liquor sale. What about home delivery? Is that an option that the opposition would even ponder upon?
Yeah, I think you rightly put it that health is more important than anything else, because the priority is to fight the COVID-19 situation. And here, as a political party, our party did file with some others the case in the High Court, and the judges, after our presentation, did order the shutting down of all shops. We did not object to the online sales, and that is why the online sales, I think the government within hardly 24 hours opened the online sales too. So that is not the plea. But here, anybody aware of the situation in Tamil Nadu knows that the TASMAC shops, when you open, there are thousands of people who come there, and there will be no way to ensure social distancing or other personal hygiene norms. Therefore, it is very, very imperative that this particular TASMAC shops are not opened now. That was our plea. Of course,
in Chennai, the TASMAC shops have not opened up. It's mostly every other part of Tamil Nadu. Is that also still a concern?
Yes, of course, because I don't think anybody would say alcohol is an essential item. And crowding of people here, when you're not allowing, say, even 10 people to go to a wedding or 20 people to a funeral, or 10 people to a shop, to have thousands of people going to an alcohol shop, even in a zone that is in an orange or green at this moment, is going to allow that to become a red zone. Therefore, unless the lockdown is removed, when the government thinks the lockdown is ready to be removed, at that point they could consider this.
And what about the government revenue and the economy of the state? We're looking at unemployment rate in Tamil Nadu, the highest in compared to all other states.
Yes, but then if we are saying that while we are all worried about employment, from the smallest, from migrant laborers to small shop owners, everybody is in the same storm. And in that situation, adding, you would have seen what happened in the vegetable market situation in Coimbatore, outside of Chennai. And today that is contributing to almost 25% of Tamil Nadu's cases just for a few days of that particular market functioning. And here, if you allow this, thousands of, you would have seen one day of opening what the situation was. Our party did a good job.
Mr. Mahendran, we saw similar crowding across of the country. That's the problem, that every state government has made a decision to open up liquor sales because they're cashing in on the revenue. Tamil Nadu also following on the same path, but it seems like all of you opposition has come together on this. Let's see what the state government has to respond with that.
I don't think it's every government, because if you see, Pondicherry has said no, Kerala has said no, And I don't think it is right to say that every state government has allowed it. There are our neighboring states themselves on both sides of us, Pondicherry and Kerala, that have not allowed this.
Right. Thank you very much for joining us with those details. Here, Tamil Nadu now considering, or going by what the opposition has to say, Tamil Nadu considering whether or not to keep those liquor shops open. We are awaiting the response from the Edapadi Palaniswamy government there.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.